Good morning, everyone. My name is Nela Lenghoff. I am a member of the Marketing and Business Development team over at the Better Communities Collaborative. Today, I am in Nashville, Tennessee. I will be following along as the W&A Engineering surveying team performs work on the Nissan Stadium this morning. So step one is bundling up. It is absolutely freezing outside. It's 28 degrees. I thought I'd take you along with me today as we visit the Nissan Stadium and perform some surveying work. Let's go. I headed over to the W&A Nashville office a little early to find the surveying crew already inside and discussing their plan of attack for the day. After discussing the project ahead, we piled into the work truck and headed over to the stadium, arriving after just a short drive across the Cumberland River. Once inside the stadium, we checked in with the security team downstairs, received our credentials, and met with our lovely guide who gave us a bit of stadium history before taking us out onto the field where the team once again reviewed goals and strategies for gathering the surveying data on the field. After meeting with the stadium officials, the surveying team walked the stadium, making notes of their environment, planning the best course of action, and establishing markers for points around the field. Once the initial sweep of the field was completed, we walked back to the truck to gather all of our equipment, and it was officially game time. Crew chiefs Eric and Jeff made quick work of assembling the necessary instruments, from network GPS to total stations to data collectors to prism poles, and moved immediately into calibrating their systems. Land surveying always necessitates great attention to detail, precision, and accuracy, so the setup before any survey is incredibly important. While our surveying crews have been honing their skills for decades, they always create a custom project approach, taking into account the specifics of the project site and any requests made by the client. For this particular project, Eric and Jeff discussed the very best ways to ensure capturing the most accurate points with the greatest efficiency, adjusting their approach as the day went on. The team first made a plan to shoot the inside of the playing surface after finding out that portion of the field would be painted later on in the day. After constructing a grid in which to log their points, the two set out to gather points every 15 feet, utilizing the very best prism poles, data collectors, and total stations available on the market. This combination of high-quality equipment, in-depth planning, and surveyor experience ensures that each and every change in elevation is properly cataloged and that the final topographic map is as accurate as possible. Hey y'all, it is right around 3 o'clock and we are about halfway finished. We've got a little bit more to go. Eric and Jeff are currently going around and shooting the exterior of the field with the data collectors. They're going every 15 feet and storing a point for this topo survey. As you can see, my lips are turning just a bit blue. It is very cold out here and the sun is kind of setting around us. So I'm hoping to get this done before nightfall. If not, we'll be here just a little bit longer with the lights on. So we'll be able to see the beautiful stadium once it's all lit up. The team continued this all across the entire field until they had covered every inch of the turf. After 5 hours and 700 points later, our work at the Nissan Stadium was finished, and the team packed up their equipment just in time for the stadium to shut down for the evening.